the landslide victory of Bharatiya Janata Party in upcoming Lok Sabha elections in Jammu and Udhampur parliamentary seats.
Narendra Modi addressed a massive rally in Udhampur today and he launched a blistering attack on the opposition parties, be it the Congress, National Conference or PDP. And he made an important announcement that assembly elections will be held in Jammu and Kashmir soon. He said that the day is not far when assembly elections will be held in Jammu and Kashmir and statehood will be restored. We will talk to the Jammu and Kashmir BJP chief Ravinder Raina. Mr. Raina, first of all, many thanks for speaking to India today. Mr. Raina, Prime Minister Narendra Modi made important announcement from the podium. He said that the day is not far when assembly elections will be held in Jammu and Kashmir and statehood will also be restored. Your reaction?
We are grateful to our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi Sahab. Today, history being created, a mammoth, a massive rally at Udhampur was addressed by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi Sahab. Lakhs of people participated in this rally and it reflects, it indicates the landslide victory of Bharatiya Janata Party in upcoming Lok Sabha elections in Jammu and Udhampur parliamentary seats.
What about the announcement he made?
As far as the announcement made by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi Sahab is concerned, Modi hai to sab mumkin hai. It is another guarantee of Honorable Prime Minister. First, Honorable Prime Minister ensured peace, prosperity, brotherhood in Jammu and Kashmir, normalcy in Jammu and Kashmir, massive development in Jammu and Kashmir. Every section in Jammu and Kashmir is given justice by the Prime Minister Modi Sahab. And now the Prime Minister announced the holding of assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir and the restoration of statehood. This is the guarantee of the Modi, and Modi Sahab himself is the guarantee. From the dais, Honorable Prime Minister made it clear that every justice to every section of the society will be given.
What kind of impact will it have here in Jammu and Kashmir as far as BJP's prospects are concerned?
The massive rally addressed by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi Sahab at Udhampur, it will definitely change the discourse in whole of the Jammu and Kashmir, and you will find the landslide victory of Bharatiya Janata Party in Lok Sabha election. And when the Election Commission of India announced its schedule for assembly election, BJP will definitely going to form the next government in Jammu and Kashmir with absolute majority.
And who will be the CM face of the BJP?
Let the Election Commission to announce the schedule. Let the assembly elections to held first. Definitely there will be BJP Chief Minister, and I am quite sure this time people wholeheartedly will support BJP both
Prime Minister
from Jammu and from Kashmir Valley.
Prime Minister Modi also lashed out at Lalu Prasad and Rahul Gandhi over their meat, eating video during the month of Sawan.
See, Sri Rahul Gandhi, Sri Lalu Yadav, and all other leaders of the India Alliance, they are practicing, they are following the foreign culture. It is in Indian culture, civilization, ethos and values that everyone should respect. But very unfortunate that in the holy days of Navratras, Sri Rahul Gandhi ji, and in the holy month of Sawan, Sri Lalu Yadav ji, they were eating such a bad food. I can't disclose, but this is disrespect to the Indian ethos and our cultural values.
National Conference has announced that Umar Abdullah will be fighting the elections from North Kashmir's Baramulla Lok Sabha seat. So that means Umar Abdullah is going to lock his horns with Sajad Lone.
See, National Conference, Congress and the PDP all will lose their deposits. BJP will win. Surely we will emerge as single largest party with majority of the vote bank.
Will BJP field its candidates from Anantnag, Baramulla and Srinagar?
Definitely, we are hoping that party's Central Election Committee very soon will announce its candidate.
Mr. Rana, tell me one thing, that Prime Minister Narendra Modi came here. Do you think that it will energize the party cadre here?
Definitely, the massive rally addressed by Honorable Prime Minister of India at Udhampur in Jammu and Kashmir, it is clear-cut message to the common man to that Modi Sahab is going to come back in power for the third time, and you will find landslide victory of Bharatiya Janata Party in the Lok Sabha election. BJP will win with absolute majority. Majority of the votes people will cast for BJP because the Modi Sahab did tremendous developmental works. Modi Sahab bring peace, prosperity and brotherhood in Jammu and Kashmir. Both Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, Gujars, Bakarwal, Pahadi, OBC, every section of the society given justice by the Prime Minister Modi. So, people in majority will vote for BJP. Congress, including all its allies, they will lose their deposits in Lok Sabha election from Jammu and Kashmir.